Profession in the Asian and Beyond Lesson 2. The level of schooling as a teaching milieu. Number 1, primary level, is composed usually of pre-primary and the primary level, muna siyang elementary. Number 2, secondary level, it is composed of junior high school and the senior high school, muna siya ang grade 7, grade 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And number 3, tertiary level, is the college level which is beyond the basic education in all countries in the Asian, muna siya ang college level. Academic preparation of the teacher professionals in basic education. For teachers of lower secondary level, future teachers should have 12 years of basic education and 2 years of teacher preparation to earn a diploma in teaching. Number 2, components of teacher preparation. There are 4 important components which are being addressed in the preparation of teachers. Number 1, general knowledge and understanding. This cluster of knowledge and understanding are embedded in the general education or liberal arts education subject in the college as preparatory to the core content subject in the professional education. To the core content subject in the professional education, muna siyang minor. Number 2, pedagogy. This component provides variety of teaching delivery approaches beyond the traditional method of teaching. Muna siyang strategy of teaching. Number 3, teaching practical experiential learning. In this cluster, knowledge theories, principle, and pedagogies learned are validated in real-life situation as a teacher. And number 4, specialized knowledge major courses. For those who will teach the content or discipline in the upper elementary or the secondary level, major content courses are learned. The teaching profession practices in the Asian. There are 3 major responsibilities of professional teachers across the different countries. Number 1, actual teaching, refers to the time of engagement of the teacher with the learners. Number 2, management of learning, refers to the activities that support the actual teaching. Muna siya ang more activities para more knowledge. Number 3, administrative work, refers to the teacher's job that includes writing test items, checking and recording of test paper result, attending to parents, making report to another related activities. Muna siya ang more work. Teacher licensing and recruitment. Licensed as professional who are not certified or licensed become profession. The teacher in the teaching profession beyond the Asian. There are 3 examples of the countries beyond the Asian. Number 1, China. China, being the most populous country, has over 200 million students attending public school taught by over 9 million teachers in the elementary, junior, and the senior high school. Education. One of the fundamental Chinese tradition, entered a new era of deep transformation after 1949. Education was used as a vital tool for centralization and unification of the country. 6 years of primary education, muna siyang elementary education. 3 years of junior middle school, 3 years of senior middle school, muna siya ang lower secondary. 6 years of university, muna siyang national university. Varieties of technical and word vocational school, muna siyang entrance examination. There are 2 main categories of teachers in China. Muna siya ang Gongban state paid, teachers who earn salary comparable with other state employees in state-owned enterprises. Number 2, Minban, community paid, teachers who are paid by local community depending on the community income. Number 2 is Japan. The Japanese education system is highly centralized and is administered by the Mumbusho or Ministry of Education. The Japanese educational system is sometimes seen as a model on how to operate school. The system gives us a mental picture of obedience. Quiet school, children sitting on their desk, listening to the teacher and working hard to pass the various entrance examination. Standard curriculum includes Japanese language, social studies, math and science along with art, music, home economics, physical education with the greatest emphasis on learning the Japanese language. In Japan, most of the teachers are females, and men compose 2/3 of the teacher in this level. And the last one, United States of America. The America educational system has greatly influenced the Philippine educational system, specifically the Making of the Filipino Teacher. Becoming a professional teacher in the USA. Pre-service students who are preparing to teach in any of the above grade level have to attend a college or a university for 4 years, major or minor in education, and earn a teaching certificate. So that's all. Thank you.
The teaching profession in Japan. Japanese teachers are an essential element in the success story of the country. Major responsibilities are entrusted upon the teachers for moral education and character development and for instilling values, attitude, and living habits in students at all levels. Sa Japan, importante sa ila ang success stories nilang country. We all know that Japan is one of the richest country in the world. But sa mga teachers nila giasa ang mga responsibilidad or gitrust nila ang mga teacher for the moral education sa mga good character development, mga values, attitude. Bali ila lang gisalig sa mga teachers sa pagtudlo sa mga good moral. Teacher certification in Japan. There are different legal requirements for certificate to teach in the preschool, elementary school, lower secondary school, and upper secondary school. So this is the two types of certificate. First class certificate, second class certificate. The first class certificate is issued to teach in the preschool, elementary, or secondary teachers with basic qualifications of having earned a bachelor's degree. To teach in the upper secondary level, the basic qualification is a master's degree. So, first class certificate, mo ni siya natudlo sa mga preschool, elementary, or secondary. Ihang basic qualification ani kay dapat jud bachelor's degree ka. O sa upper secondary level pod, iha pong basic qualification dapat jud ka master's degree. Ayaw ka makatulog sa upper secondary level. Dapat jud master's degree. Second class certificate has a basic qualification of 2 years of study, 62 credit units in a university or other post-secondary institution. While to teach in this secondary level without a master's degree in the second class certificate will be issued. So, sa second class certificate, nasa qualification niya 2 years of study and 62 credit units in a university or other post-secondary institution. Dapat yun na kahit nga na 2 years of study para ma-qualified ka. While kung matudlo ka sa secondary level without master's degree, kung wala yung master's degree, yung second class certificate, dili siya pwede. So now, let's move to becoming employed as a teacher. Most of the public school teachers are prefectural employees. Even if they teach in municipal schools, prefectures play an important role in the selection and the hiring of teachers. So age is very important consideration for teacher applicants. More than one half of the prefectures required applicants to be under the age of 30. So, naa sila age limit. Let's move to United States of America. The American educational system has greatly influenced the Philippines educational system, specifically the making of the Filipino teacher, the coming of the first American teachers called Thomasites, and the opening of the normal schools in different provinces of the country provided a very strong foundation for teachers' education. So, ang American educational system kay dako isang impact sa Pilipinas sa atong edukasyon. Kay dira nato nakuha ang uban mga words just like English teaching. So, isa pod sa gitawag nga first American teachers, gitawag nga Thomasites. Muna siya mga Thomasites, mga teachers na pinakauna nga niya diri sa Pilipinas. Also, they have the basic education, the average for teaching job in USA. Number 1 is pre-primary education. This education are kindergarten, nursery schools, preschools, programmers, child daycare center. Age level 4 to 6 years old and the duration is 2 years. Number 2 is primary education. Elementary school, there are very varied levels of schooling in primary education. Number 3 is middle school education. Grades 7 to 8, 7 to 9 or 8. 4 is secondary education. High school grades 7 to 12 or 8 to 12. 5 is junior high school, grades 7 to 8, 7 to 9 or 8. 6 is senior high school, grades 9 to 12 or 10 to 12. Pre-service students who are preparing to teach in any of the above grades levels have to attend a college or a university for 4 years, major or minor in education, and earn a teaching certificate. Earning teaching certificate. United States of America has a decentralized educational system, and each state's education agency or CEA has its own guidelines and requirements for earning and maintaining teaching certificates. Recruitment of teachers. After following the successful completion of an application process, a superintendent approves the applicant and then forwards a recommendation to hire to the local school board. Salaries of a teacher. The salary range for teachers is determined by education and experience as by locality. Teachers who have earned master's plus 30 doctorate units earn more than those with master's degree, while teachers with master's degree receive a higher salary than the bachelor's degree holder. So, ang salary range sa teachers na-determine siya sa educational experience niya sa lokal. So, ang teachers who have earned master's plus 30 doctorate units earn more than those with master's degree, while teachers with master's degree have received a higher salary than the bachelor's degree holder. So, mas tako ang master's degree. Iyang sweldo kaysa sa bachelor's degree holder. So, what makes a good American teacher? The definition of good teacher slightly differs among levels. Those working in elementary schools seem more than focused in their discussion and believe that a good teacher is a kind person, one who is understanding and sensitive to the needs of children. The index determines the level of respect afforded the teachers in the specific country. The data included profile of teacher respect, teaching a suit after profession, contextualized understanding of teacher status, and views on pupils' respect for teachers. China, South Korea, Turkey, Egypt, and Greece respect their teachers more than other European. It tells about the trust in the educational system or respect and the average and also the average teacher's salary. So that was the end of my discussion about the teaching profession in Japan and the United States of America.